Today we're going to be talking about pizza making. First, we're going to talk about the basics of dough. Now, not everyone knows this. Dough has two sides to it. When you make the pizza, there's first the smooth side, and I've lightly floured this. It's very important to always keep the dough floured, and the rough side. Now, the reason it's important is because the rough side will stick to a pizza stone or the oven, whereas the smooth side is going to be able to be lifted off. So you have your nice finished product with a crisp crust. Basic ingredients of dough, we're talking about water, flour, salt and sugar. Now salt and sugar is just to taste. If you like it particularly sweet, a sweet dough, go ahead, add a little extra sugar. Yeast is another very, very important ingredient. You add a lot of yeast, you'll get a sort of a Greek style pizza, real fluffy and airy. If you don't add much, you're going to be looking at a thinner, crispier, more Italian style. Either way, it's great. Then what you're going to be doing, when you have the dough, you need to make sure you flour it, like I said.